I desperately need to put myself on a spending ban. My floristry skills are a work in progress. Got a little bit of a sad update. Cutest thing you've ever seen. You're goodest boy. A lot of time, effort, money. I cannot believe I've got this. Hello everyone, welcome back to another weekly vlog. I hope you're all good. Hope you're having a lovely Sunday. It's Tuesday afternoon for me right now and I'm currently sat in my office waiting to have a meeting. I've got quite a YouTube heavy week this week rather than sunny side. I'm still very much trying to find the balance between the two. I'm sure I'll get there eventually where I can do the two hand in hand pretty seamlessly. But right now it's like, okay, I've got a lot of YouTube work this week or I've got a lot of Sunnyside work this week, but I don't want either to suffer during weeks like that, do you know what I mean? So we're working on that. Sunny had a groom this morning. She's down here with me. She's so soft and fluffy right now. She looks like she's got a bit of a monobrow going on right there. Oh, she is not in the mood for me. Look at the paw though. Is that not just the cutest thing you've ever seen? Oh bless her, she's tired. So in my office at home, just here, I got these last week. These are actually shoe boxes. I got them on Amazon and the reason for these is I'm going to keep some of my products at home just for like emergency pictures or if I need to size anything, you name it. I just feel more comfortable having some of my products at home, so I'm going to have like one of each set. Obviously I've got one of each harness up here, but then I'm also going to have one of each lead, one of each bow tie, etc, etc. Just thought that might be a good idea in case I've got to take any emergency pictures, even though the Sunnyside office is super close to my house, just for like evenings and stuff. But I'll leave a link to these shoe boxes down in the description because I'm honestly so impressed with them. They feel really nice quality, they're really sturdy, they also stack into each other, so like each row is locked together, and all of these came in one pack. I've actually ordered another pack here to put on top in case I need to in the future. But yeah, they're fab. They've got little magnetic doors, they're vented at the back because obviously they are made for shoes. This part is like flimsier plastic, but because they lock into each other at either end, this sturdy part of plastic keeps them all as one. So I'm very pleased with them. I'd really recommend them. They would actually be fab for shoes as well. I mean, obviously that's what they're made for. Or for small businesses to store their products in. Thank you very much, Amazon. I desperately need to put myself on a spending ban. Like, it's actually ridiculous. To be fair, I haven't bought a lot of stuff personally. I did buy a handbag last week, but like a lot of the stuff I've bought is for the new office. It's cost a lot more than I thought it would, and these might come as a surprise, but I actually don't like spending money at all. I'm way more of a saver. I've always been good at saving money my whole life, probably because I'm a little bit antisocial as well, so that definitely helps. Obviously I still live at home, but I always set myself saving goals, and if I like reach a goal, so for example I wanted to save £100, if I saved £100 and then I spent £20, that really bothers me because it's not on 100 anymore. So probably not the healthiest mindset, but it's definitely helped me save. So when I end up spending a lot of money in 1 month, it really bothers me. Although saying that, this morning I ordered a NutriBullet on Amazon. It's arriving tomorrow, very excited about it. Because I just feel like I'm eating quite badly at the moment. I don't eat a lot of fruit, if any. Vegetables I'm quite good with at dinner, but lunchtime, it's my downfall. It always has been. Today I had tuna mayo and sweet corn sandwich and a packet of roast chicken crisps and half an Easter egg. Like, that's not good. I can't be doing that every day, and I have been. So I ordered a NutriBullet. I'm not going to diet or anything like that. I just want to incorporate more fruit into my diet. So I thought that would be a really good option, a really easy way to do it. I'm going to go to Tesco tomorrow, get some frozen fruits. I'll bring you along with me, see what I pick. But if anyone's got any good smoothie recipes, please let me know in the comments down below, because I'm willing to try anything, but I want to be more inventive with it. And I do want to drink smoothies that fill me up a bit more as well, because I snack a lot during the day. But the NutriBullet I ordered is this one. I'll link it down below. It's the 8-piece set in the colour graphite. It was $69.99, but fingers crossed I'm going to use it a lot. And my loves, this section of the vlog is very kindly sponsored by the team over at Surfshark. I'm sure you've probably heard me talk about Surfshark by now. They're a regular sponsor of mine. I absolutely stand wholeheartedly for the product and service they provide. People in my real life often ask me about Surfshark and I will tell them hands down, need it in your life. But if by any chance you haven't heard me talking about it before, Surfshark is a VPN, which stands for Virtual Private Network. Essentially, it's an underground tunnel to the internet. It keeps you, your information and your IP address safe online. So how does it work, I hear you ask? Surfshark is a little browser extension. I use it with Google Chrome. It sits at the top of your browser, usually next to your search bar, and you can simply click on the icon, connect to anywhere around the world. I tend to use London most often just because it's near Essex, it's near me, and Surfshark will give you a new IP address as if you're in that place. I didn't realise how important your IP address actually is, but that is like the portal into how they get your information. But if you connect to somewhere else around the world, for example in Miami, not only will you be given an IP address in Miami, so any hackers would think you're there, but you can also access the internet as if you're in that country. So you could access American Netflix, and Surfshark have set you guys up with a deal. So if you use the code FABULOUS, you will get 83% off and 3 months extra free, meaning it works out to just a few pounds a month, and it could save you so much money in the long run if the hackers can't access your bank account. I'll leave a link to Surfshark down in the description below in case you're interested, and I want to say a big thank you again to Surfshark for very kindly sponsoring this vlog. Happy surfing! Some of you are going to think I'm crazy for this, but I've got 10 minutes until my meeting starts, so I've just been sat here like with nothing to do really, just waiting, and then I remembered that I saw a TikTok yesterday about this girl, and she was explaining the fact that April the 12th today is a really powerful day in the universe. I think it was Pluto and Jupiter that are in conjunction today in the Pisces energy. So apparently today is a very strong day astrologically, and she basically explained that today is the perfect day to write a letter to the universe manifesting what you want from your future. So that's what I'm going to do. I've titled it Dear Universe, and I'm about to write everything that I'm grateful for in the present tense as if it's happened. Like, I am grateful for the growth that Sunnyside has had because I want that to grow more. Loads of things like that I want to happen basically. So I'm about to write my letter to the universe. Here it is, classic pen and paper. Dear universe, let's go.
I was never the one to write up a song for just anyone. I was always the one.
A whole A4 page. We're manifesting a lot.
Concept that you've sent through, I think you've been able to sort of encapsulate everything that we need.
Oh, me again. I'm now up at the office. I didn't actually plan to come up here today, but I've had quite a few orders come in this morning, and if I can, I like to try and get them out as soon as possible. So it's currently 2 minutes past 4, and the post office takes the last collection at 5 o'clock. So I've got a bunch of orders here that I'm gonna package up quickly now. Sunny's with me. Luckily she's like become really accustomed to the office, and she knows that like when we're up here, she just chills, which is so handy. I am gonna do a whole office tour. Here's a sneaky peek. It's very pink, it's very cute. You might have seen on my Sunnyside and my normal Instagram actually some photos of it, but yeah, I'm gonna do an actual office tour video and go through all the storage spaces and show you exactly what I've done. A lot of time, effort, money, blood, sweat, tears has gone into this office, but it's finally finished. We finished it on Sunday. Yesterday was my first day working up here, and I came in Monday morning to a card from my mum and dad and a bunch of flowers. How pretty are these? Just to say that they're proud of me and good luck with the new office and the new chapter, really. Does anyone else's family sign every single card from the dog as well? Because we definitely do. Anyway, I need to get on, otherwise I'm going to miss the post for today and it's going to stress me out.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way.
It's now 20 to 5. I've just finished all the orders. These are all for the UK. This one is for Iowa in the US. I'm about to bag them up and quickly take them to the post office because I've got 20 minutes. Good morning, everyone. Right, I'm gonna make my first smoothie in the NutriBullet. So I went to Tesco and this is everything I've got for the first lot of smoothies. So I've got frozen mango chunks and frozen whole strawberries. I'm gonna put a banana in, some honey, some vanilla yogurt and some oat milk. I do want to get some flax seeds and some little bits and bobs like that, and maybe like some powders to help with energy, etc, etc, but I need to do some more research into that. But for now, this is a pretty good start, I think. I mean, this must be at least 2 of my 5 a day with the banana and then the mixture of these two. here's the final result. And I'm not gonna lie, I've just tried it. It is delicious. I do feel like it needs a little bit more honey or maybe some more strawberries to make it a little bit sweeter, but that's just because I have a really sweet tooth. I think this is gonna really fill me up. These are my metal straws. I got them from Amazon, some wide metal straws for me smoothies. I had to add some more oat milk because it was too thick, but it's all a learning process. I'm determined to perfect the perfect smoothie this summer. I've been planning a video this morning. So, you know that video where people buy every Instagram advert that they come across? That's what I want to do. I've wanted to do it for quite a long time. And then I was watching Sophie Louise's new one this morning while I got ready. I love her Instagram advert videos. They're so good. I'll leave her channel linked in the description down below. She usually spends a week buying every advert. I know I would forget to do that. So instead, every time I've gone on Instagram this morning, I've bought the advert, and some of them I've been lucky with, some of them not so much. Some quite random ones, but I'm really excited for them all to arrive, hopefully next week, and then I can film this video at some point. Oh my god, I just discovered that the windowsill at the office is the perfect height for vlogging. Wow, it's the little things, it really is. Anyway guys, got a little bit of a sad update for you. Well, update segment. I wanted to tell you about something. So there's a little dog that's gone missing. She's actually been stolen from Reading. Her name's Maple. I first came across her on Instagram. Her mum is obviously so worried. She was stolen about a month ago now, I think. And her mum sent me these stickers. So I'm going to add these to every Sunnyside order. This is what the stickers look like. I'm going to leave Maple's Instagram in the description down below. I'll also put some pictures on screen here of what she looks like, her markings. There is a cash reward for if she is found. On her Instagram you can find all the contact details in case you see her. She's a little cockapoo. She's got little white patches on her nose, her chin, and a little one on her chest as well. I know if it was Sunny who was missing, I would be absolutely beside myself, so please keep an eye out. I know there's so many cockapoos around, lots that look similar to Maple, but if you can look out for those particular markings, you could find the answers. She's been spayed, she can't be bred from, she's microchipped, and she was stolen on the 21st of March from Hogmore Lane in Hurst in Reading. And she was last seen being put into a black/dark blue Saab, I think that's how you pronounce it anyway, by 4 white men. Her Instagram is definitely _Maple and the hashtag is find Maple. So yeah, these are added to all the Sunnyside orders. Keep your eyes peeled, guys. When I went to the range yesterday, the only thing I bought were these flowers. They came to £21 for all of these fake flowers. And I've got this vase, which was in the toilet downstairs here at the office, but the pampas grass is dropping like crazy. It's driving me insane, and I need something for the top of the stairs. I'll show you in a minute why. So I'm gonna replace the pampas with these flowers. I'm gonna arrange them now. Always wanted to be a florist. I actually feel like I'd be quite good at it, although have horrendous hay fever in the summer, so I'm not actually too sure how well that occupation would go down. We'll stick to fake for now. So the reason I wanted to move these flowers is because at the top of the stairs here, you can see there's this gap, and it's not massive, but it's definitely big enough for Sunny to fit through. And I actually don't think she would ever go through it. Like, I don't think she lacks intelligence that much. But I do think if someone arrived, like if someone broke in, she was trying to protect me, she would potentially think this is a shortcut and then hit the floor at the bottom. So I just wanted something to put in front of it. This also can't fit through the gap, so there's absolutely no way she's going to be able to get around it. And it does look cute at the top of the stairs as well when you come up. I've got my frame full of all my dogs. I'm showing you too much. I need to save it for the tour. But yeah, I've got my little flowers there now, and I think they look really cute. I've just given them a little bit of a rearrange. My floristry skills are a work in progress, people, but I think this looks fine. I like them. Hello everyone, it's now Saturday. I'm currently out for a walk with my mum and the dogs. We've got Sunny and we've got my brother's dog Diesel as well. Such a nice day today. It's the first day where it properly feels like spring. First day I've got my sunglasses out as well. Very happy about it. I've got a very bare face right now. I've had a bit of a breakout, you see. I don't really know why. Actually no, I do know why. It's because I ate an Easter egg and chocolate always makes me break out. But yeah, today, did I say it was Saturday? I can't even remember. It's actually Good Friday today. I'm spending my day filming a job, which is really fun. I'm about halfway through it. I'm really enjoying it so far. My mum is helping me. And yeah, that's about everything that's going on for right now. Hello, Waggy.
And feel your blue skies.
This is insane. insane. I cannot believe I've got this. I've always wanted one of those stand mixers, you know, the posh ones that sit on the worktop. You always see them in the posh houses. Zoella's always got one, and it stands there and it mixes your mix for you. Diesel's down here. You coming to help me bake? You good boy. You're goodest boy. Diesel used to be a sheepdog, didn't you? Not anymore though, you've retired now because he's 7. Diesel's my brother's dog, if you don't know. He's a border collie, and you used to chase the sheeps. The sheeps? Yeah! Oh, they're not here, they're not here. Oh no, what have I done? Come on, I'm going to the garden. Good boy. Anyway, like I was saying, always wanted one of these mixers, and not yesterday but the day before, one of my managers messaged me saying Salter would like to send you a product from the website. I was like, oh my gosh, that sounds great, I love baking. I'm sure you've heard of them, they do all kinds of kitchen appliances. So I had a look on the website and I said to Evie, even one of the posh mixers? And she was like, I'll check. And they said yes. So Salter have very kindly sent me a stand mixer and it's arrived already. Oh, Diesel's back. You're back. Obviously the food's around, but look how beautiful this mixer is. Oh my goodness, I'm obsessed. Do you love it as well, Sniffy boy? This is the Rose Gold Edition mixer. It is beautiful. I've been figuring it all out. So it pops up like this. You've got 3 different attachments for here, depending on what you're making. I am just thrilled to have this. Honestly, I'm so grateful. So thank you very much, Salter. Excuse the wine and the crisps in the background, by the way. Anyway, I'm about to get baking. As part of the job I'm filming today, I need to do a little bit of baking and get a shot. So I thought, I'm not going to fake it and pretend to bake. Let's actually make some mini egg cookies. I'll leave the recipe linked down below. It's from Jane's Patisserie, the best website for recipes ever. Are we ready for the first mix? Here we go. So this is how my mini egg cookies turned out. They actually look quite a lot more chocolatey than the ones on the Jane Patisserie website. I did put the same amount of chocolate. Oh, maybe I put more mini eggs in actually. I'm not sure. But they do look quite a bit darker than Jane's. I don't know how we're going to get through these because Dad doesn't like chocolate, so it's just me and Mum eating these. I think because I'm self-employed, I don't really usually take any notice of the bank holidays. I mean, like today, Good Friday, I've been working all day, but this weekend I am actually having some time off. I'm forcing myself to, and I've got planned at least 2 barbecues and a brunch, and I'm thrilled about that. Does anyone else's social plans literally revolve around food all the time? Maybe that's just adulthood. We don't go out to see our friends, play down the park anymore. We just eat. The #1 joy in life. But anyway, guys, I hope you're all having a lovely bank holiday weekend, a lovely Easter. As you're watching this, I'll be here having my barbecues, my brunch, my mini egg cookies, stuffing my face, but having a fruit smoothie in the morning because it's all about balance. Side note, this morning's smoothie was even better than yesterday's smoothie. I put frozen strawberries, frozen mango, fresh blueberries, a banana and pineapple juice in it this morning. It was unbelievable. That's my favourite one so far. But like I said, please let me know your smoothie recipes in the comments down below if you found any that you love. But anyway, my loves, I'm going to end this weekly vlog here. I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope you're having a nice Sunday morning. Do subscribe to see my future videos. I've got a couple of good ones planned. I'm going to do an in detail day in my life, a new office tour, trying every Instagram advert that pops up. I think those will be my 3 next videos, so stay tuned. I want to say a big thank you to Surfshark for very kindly sponsoring this vlog. Don't forget, there's a link to Surfshark in the description down below. But anyway, thank you very much for watching. Enjoy your bank holiday barbecues, and I'll see you again next Sunday with another little video. Bye guys, love ya.